Good morning, guys. Today we are starting Nature and Planning of Indian Economy, which is the first chapter of Indian economy. In this lecture, you will get the sufficient discussion for the purpose of any exam. Let's start with the meaning of economy. Economy is a framework in which economic activities are carried out. Economic activities means like in the form of production, in the form of investment, in the form of consumption, etc. There is two basic unit of Indian economy. First one is households and second one is production. Household provides the factors of production in a market. And the production transform input into output. Now understand what is economics. Economics is a study of a labor, land, and investment, and also a study of employment, poverty, balance of payments, and inflation. In economics, there is two branches. First one is microeconomics and second one is macroeconomics. In macroeconomics, there is the studies on features like national income, employment, poverty, balance of payment and inflation, etc. Microeconomics examines the economic behavior of individual units. Example such as consumers, households, businessmen, etc. Actually, economy is a system of production of services and goods based on public wants and demands. So, based on the organization production process, economy system classified into three types. First one is capitalist economy, second one is socialist economy, and third one is mixed economy. Let's understand each of the types of the economic system. The first one is capitalist economy. It is a system of economic organization in which the ownership is private and the use of capital with profit motive. In this capitalist economic system, the state interference should be kept in minimum. So, the capitalist economy based on the doctrine of laissez-faire. In this system, price is determined by the forces of demand and supply. The capitalist economy is an invisible hand of the market forces. Which brings the market in equilibrium. The second economic system type is socialist economy. It is also known as centralized economy or centrally planned economy. Here all the decisions related to the price, production and supply were all suggested to be taken by the state only. Advantages of state economy or socialist economy. First is that economic stability. Second, maximization of social welfare. Third is that absence of monopoly. Basic needs are met. And no extreme inequality. The disadvantages are first is bureaucratic expansion. Second is no freedom of occupation. Third is absence of competition makes the system inefficient. Absence of competition. The third type of economic system is mixed economic system. The characteristics of capitalism and socialism are mixed in this economic system. In the time of 1930s, the capitalistic economy faced a serious setback due to the Great Depression of 1930s. The ideas of self-correcting quality of the market and the invisible hand of Adam Smith failed to check the slowdown of market and the depression. In this economic system, both the private and public enterprises operate simultaneously, and the government intervenes to regulate private enterprises in several ways. Let's see the advantages of mixed economies. What are the advantages? First is sovereignty, like sovereignty to choose what to produce, what to consume by the government rules and regulation. The second advantage is income inequality is absent. Manage of inflation rate. Generation of employment. The mixed economic system removes the socially undesirable consequences of private production, like pollution, control, regional imbalances, poverty, etc. So it removes the undesirable consequences of private production. And let's see the disadvantages of economic mixed economic system. In this economic system, heavy taxes is there, which reduce the incentives to work hard, less efficient than private sector. Excessive control over business activity can add more costs, right? So expensive excessive control, etc. Best of luck, study well. Thank you.